Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to increase or decrease the animation speed of pop-up windows, dialog boxes and menu in Android. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. Let me click on this three dot icons. Now you can see here this kind of pop-up windows or dialog boxes and menu. So you can see the default animation speed of opening or closing. So in order to increase or decrease the animation speed, what you need to do is just open the settings and just scroll down below, and now you'll see here about phone. Just click on it. Now once again scroll down below again. Now you'll see here software information. Just tap on it. Now keep tapping on this build number until you see developer mode is enabled. So in my case it's already being enabled, and after that just move back and just scroll down below again. Now you'll see here at the bottom developer options. Just tap on it. Now just turn on the developer option, and after that just scroll down below. Now you'll see here window animation scale. Just tap on it. Now you can see here by default the animation scale is selected, that is the 1x. So if you want to decrease the animation speed, then you can select the animation scale like 5x or 10x or 2x, which is greater than the 1x. So I'm gonna select this 5x and let us check. Now let me try to click on the three dot icons again. Now you can see here the animation speed has decreased. So you can see here. So it's working perfectly. So if I click on this option, so you can see here the animation speed, and if I select the 10x and if I click on this option again, so you can see here the animation speed has been decreased a lot. So if you want to increase, then you can just select the 0.5x, which will increase the animation speed. Now if I click on this option again, so now you can see it will increase the animation speed, and if you want to restore it back, just select this animation scale 1x. Then it will be restored back to the default animation speed. So by using these cool tricks, you can increase or decrease the animation speed of pop-up windows, dialog boxes and menu in Android very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.